Hey, I just got the Maschine Studio. I've been looking for something like this since probably 2008, and I looked at all the MPCs and I used those a couple times and never used any of the machines before. So this is going to be the first machine I ever use, and I'm super stoked about it. Alright, you know what, I'll probably chop it here. Alright, it's the Maschine Studio. I called the store as soon as they open, and the guy said they had two, and then he said they had one because he was selling one right as I called him, and I asked him if he'd hold it for me, and he said he would. So now I got it here. I'm pretty stoked about this. So this is the adapter, this is the USB cord, this is the machine. Let's take it out. Right? Let's see what they got here. Pretty fancy thing. One disc and some stickers, right? Great. So what I'm gonna do, play with the fucking stickers. Give me a break. Alright. I don't know. Should we plug it in? Let's plug it in. Let's plug this bad boy in. I'll be right back. Right? USB. We'll plug in. Alright. Plug it in here. Alright. Let's see here. You know what? Let's put the disc in. Let's plug it in. Let's put the power on. Let's do it all. Alright. Suppose we take this bad boy off. Put this one on. Alright. Power's over here, so it's USB power, and then it's got a power button. I'm pretty sure once I turn this on, I'm not going to be turning it off. Ever. So what do I do now? I install the software. Let's do that quickly. Where's my software booklet? Is it in the box? Is it? Is it in the box? Nope. Alright, someone leave a comment. Tell me where the manual is. There it is. Now, so that goes. So, I guess I'll be back as soon as I'm done installing the software. I'm going to turn this bad boy on and see what's up. It'll be my first time on a machine.